In this video, I'm going to answer the question, is Kajabi the best platform for beginners, and why Kajabi scared me at first? And by the end of this video, you'll discover the secret to getting fast results with Kajabi, even if you're building a brand new business online. Hey, it's Dexx, and here's what's going to be revealed in this video. A truly massive resource other platforms don't offer, and it's absolutely huge. Where many new online business owners go wrong, which is often a very costly mistake, and a Kajabi feature that saves you thousands of dollars each year, not to mention the time savings as well. In a moment, I'll share the secret to why even beginners succeed so easily with Kajabi. But first, let's talk about the number one mistake many beginners make, and that is thinking you need every single tool that's available. You'll see the webinars and you'll see the trending strategies that are out there, and you think, I need that tool and I need that software and I need this resource in order to get results, and often that ends up causing overwhelm, confusion, and procrastination because you just don't know how everything comes together. That leads to mistake number 2, which is not having a strategy for growth. So now you're getting all of this, shiny object syndrome of all these tools and strategies and webinars and chatbots and landing pages, you name it. And then you're wondering, well, how does it all fit together? I don't know. How do I achieve the end result that I'm looking to get? And both of these mistakes have caused so many beginners to either get stuck right away or just never see the results that they're looking for. And if you can relate to either of these mistakes, comment below. I'm genuinely curious. Now, here's what Kajabi does to make sure that these mistakes don't happen to their new users. First of all, every new Kajabi member gets a one-on-one success call with a member of the Kajabi team who walks them through all the tools of the platform, as well as fine-tuning their strategy to get the best results possible as quickly as possible. Feature number 2, their pipelines. This is a fill-in-the-blanks, step-by-step automated build-out of whatever sales and marketing strategy you are looking to achieve, and it is probably one of the coolest things that I've seen with any of the online platforms. And finally, feature number 3, Kajabi University. This is a feature that saves Kajabi members thousands of dollars each year, not to mention time savings, because all of the various Kajabi experts and industry experts have built this platform full of free courses, free training that you can access as a Kajabi member so that you don't need to spend hundreds or thousands of dollars on various marketing and sales courses, because Kajabi University has over 350 training videos on a wide variety of subjects that will help you get results as quickly as possible. So now that you know why beginners succeed so easily with Kajabi, which Kajabi feature do you think is the most helpful? Comment below. And if you want more videos featuring Kajabi updates and strategies to help grow your business and get better results, make sure to click the like button, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget that bell so that you get notified. And be sure to watch this other Kajabi video right now. I'll talk to you soon.